Welcome to this new AlgoBuilderX tutorial. Today we will explore the world of parameters and variables in cTrader, opening up new possibilities for customization and flexibility in creating your algorithmic trading strategies. What are parameters and variables? Parameters and variables are key elements in the construction of our strategies. Parameters allow us to make a value configurable within the strategy. For example, we can make the take profit or stop loss parameterizable, allowing us to change them dynamically directly from cTrader without having to edit the source code. Variables, on the other hand, are memory elements used to store and manipulate data during strategy execution and are not visible in cTrader's parameters. In AlgoBuilderX, there are two ways to set parameters or variables. The first, which is the simplest, is to set them directly from within the block by clicking on the wave icon next to the value you wish to configure. Let's take by action. For example, if we want to make the entry lot parameterizable, just click on the icon in question and press New Parameter or Variable. A window will open for us. We choose Parameter, and from here we can go and customize the name of our parameter and its value. The type of parameter will be set automatically based on the value we are assigning. Another interesting option is the possibility of adding an internal description. This is a personal note that you can leave for yourself or for other developers who might be working on the same ABX project. This internal description will not be visible on cTrader, but it can be of great use during development. Let's click Save and our value will become a parameter. The second way to set and change parameters or variables is directly from the Parameters and Variables section found in the left column. From here you can find a complete list of all the parameters and variables used in your strategy. This is a valuable resource for quickly checking and changing your strategy settings. By clicking on a parameter, for example, you can easily change its properties or delete it. This is especially useful if the parameter is used in more than one block. By editing it from here, it will automatically be reflected in all the blocks in which it was used. New parameters or variables can also be created from this section. Just click on Add New Parameter. Here, unlike the first case, we will also have to specify the type of parameter, which can be int for integers, double for decimal numbers, string for text, and bool for Boolean values, true or false. Another interesting feature is the ability to organize parameters under a group so that the parameters section of cTrader becomes more organized and eye-catching. By clicking on Create New Group, you can name the group and drag it into the parameters section. Any parameters placed under this group will be part of it. Let's try to insert two groups. When we export our bot, our parameters will look like this in cTrader. Watch the next video tutorial if you want to learn more about ABX. Custom strategies, made easy.